Hello, this is Sabrina Moreland, and I'm one of the librarians at Walters State, and today I'm going to help you navigate Jstor. The reason we're going to look at Jstor specifically for your English 1020 class is that it will be helpful in finding articles in the humanities, the social sciences, and the applied sciences. The first thing we want to do, though, is go ahead and log in again. Even though you may have already put in some eLearn information, for some reason we have to log in again in Jstor. And so the username and password, it's WSCC and then Toloruma. And that information is included on the slide that accompanies this video. So once we log in, we want to go directly to the advanced search. So we'll click on that. Now, you've had some experiences probably searching in academic search Premier and opposing viewpoints. Jstor is a bit different. It doesn't really follow the rules of searching the fields the way we talked about in 1020 or those subject tags. Rather, it does a full text search, which means it matches terms in your search with individual documents. So it's a bit different. It's important, though, to go ahead and have your concepts mapped out and to have a research plan. So today's example is going to revolve around the idea of social media impacting political engagement or political inequality, such as sort of a very broad concept. And so my first term that I'm going to use just in this field is politics, just to start off kind of broad. And then just like with other databases, we have our Boolean operators. And my second term is going to be social media. And since it's more than one word, I'm going to incorporate quotation marks around it. It'll help the database search better. So I have politics and social media, and I'm going to click on search. And when I do that, I get 850 results. Before I take a lot of time and go through these different articles and see what my results are, that's quite a few, so I'm going to narrow it down. One of the ways to do that is on the left. I want maybe just journals, so I can click on journals. And I also want to, since this is a social sciences project or paper, I think maybe narrowing the date down of publication is important as well. And so I'm just going to do the last 6 years, last 5 years really, since we're just now into 2018. And I'm going to click on update results. Anytime you manipulate any of the information on the left and limit your search, you're going to have to hit that update results link. And so now we've cut our results nearly in half. But I would like to also explore the subjects on the left to give myself fewer results as well. So one of the things I can do is click on Show More, and I can think about the different disciplines that this idea falls under. So let's see, maybe political science would be very applicable. I could look at population studies, sociology, depending on what you're researching. You know, you could click on language and literature if you're doing a humanities paper. So really just think about your topic and where it falls, and that will help you limit by subject as well. So I have to hit update results again. And so that narrows me down to 257. So just like with searching in other databases, you can keep adding terms to your advanced search. You can keep making changes over on the left to get what you want. This first article looks relevant, so I'm going to click into that. And in this case, you have to download the article, and the citation information is included before you even get to the article. So you'll want to decide APA in this case is what I would want for my work or for my reference page. But when I want the article itself, I want to click on download, and then I have to say again that I want to accept the agreement and get the actual article. And when it loads, you have the option to download and print. So not as many options in this database. But the entire article is there, the different sections of a social sciences piece, and you can, of course, like I said, download that or print it off. I hope this was helpful in searching Jstor. Please contact me if you have any questions in the library, through email, in an eLearn. And thank you for listening.